We often recommend shampoo for cleaning our hair, but there is more a shampoo can do rather than only cleaning. It can moisturize your hair, boost the hair growth, remove the dandruff, and also gives you the luscious look you want. And for getting all those benefits, what will be better than owning a Dermatologist Approved Shampoo? Let's check a list on this requirement. Split ends, hair breakage, color damage is a common problem that we all face once in our life. This often happens when our hair loses the keratin for overprocessed treatment and badly needs some protein to rejuvenate again. For that, a dermatologist recommendation will always be going for a bond-building shampoo, like the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance. This is the #1 shampoo in prestige hair care for its highly nourishing and repairing capabilities. This unique Olaplex technology helps you to repair and maintain your damaged hair bonds. With that, this Olaplex shampoo has a patent-active chemistry called bis-aminopropyl diglycol dimaleate that works on a molecular level to strengthen and hydrate all hair types. Furthermore, the color-safe and sulfate-free formula will create a luxurious lather on your hair to add moisture in your hair with any extra weight. Also, you don't have to apply lots of product in your hair, as a little shampoo will be more than enough for you. Who doesn't want a volumized full hair flowing down from the head? Surely, we all look for the luxurious hair, but hair falls and hair thinning snags us from that. So dermatologist recommendation is getting a Nioxin cleanser, which is a part of Nioxin Kit System 1. Nioxin is a great brand for hair care that mostly gives solutions for all hair thinning problems and has 6 different treatments kits for each hair type. So, it will be better if you choose the cleanser based on your hair recommendation. But whatever formula you choose, you will get a thicker full hair and will be loving the new Luscious Hair. This whole system kit is formulated to strengthen the hair and reduce breakage. Also, this cleanser prepares the hair for the complete hair thickening process, which continues by the whole system kit. With that, the peppermint oil refreshes your hair from the very first use. So, this #1 salon brand with 30 years of expertise will be a great choice for solving your hair thinning problem. But the best result only comes with a whole treatment kit. Curly hairs are always difficult to handle and need extra care to get the shine or smoothness we want. But not anymore with the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Shampoo. This uniquely designed curly hair shampoo makes curly hair shiny, bouncy, and easy to manage. This incredible formulation is created with a bunch of hand-picked and certified ingredients including organic shea butter, coconut oil, hibiscus extract, rosemary oil, aloe oils, and neem oil. Here the shea butter helps in gently cleansing the hair with improving the hair health and shine, where the hibiscus extract and neem oil will work on improving hair elasticity, reducing breakages and split ends. And lastly, the coconut oil, rosemary, and aloe vera oil will create a gently hydrated formula to moisturize and protect the hair. So you will get everything needed to tame your wavy, curly, or kinky, coily hair from Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Shampoo. If you have a sensitive scalp with scalp psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis, and even common dandruff, then a normal shampoo will not be enough to solve your issues. For that, our dermatologist recommended Neutrogena Tea and Gel Therapeutic Shampoo that instantly works on your scalp with first use. This therapeutic shampoo is made with active ingredients like 0.5% coal tar that works on all the symptoms of dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and psoriasis, including itching and flaking. With that, the rich lather gently cleanses the hair, leaving a healthy-looking, lustrous, and manageable hair. Along with, it is an alcohol-free shampoo which is absolutely suitable for daily use. However, dermatologist only recommends to use the shampoo for twice a week. Nobody wants their hair to look gray before age, but there are many facts like stress, genetics, or even some bad habits that gradually contribute to hair turning gray. So our next dermatologist choice, Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Shampoo, is for gray hairs. This luxurious shampoo is formulated with a caviar extract rich in omega-3 fatty acid, vitamins and minerals that gradually works on hair aging problems. This formula targets all the physical, environmental, and natural signs of aging to reduce dry, brittle, and more prone to breakage hair. Also, this anti-aging shampoo contains exclusive sea silk that helps to seal moisture in your hair and make it look full and healthy. Adding to that, this lightweight shampoo adds softness and shine while improving the overall look. Also, you will get thermal protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to style your hair with all your styles and color. So, if you want to enjoy a younger looking healthy hair, then Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Shampoo is a great choice. With that, our list of 5 best dermatologist approved shampoo for luscious hair ends. But still, there might be some problems left that you want to solve soon. So, if you have any hair problem that we missed in the dermatologist's list, please mention it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.